Hello friends, and welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's doing great today. I am going to open up my Gelli Arts stamping and printing kit. I haven't had a chance to do this yet, and it's been sitting on my shelf for about a month. Getting a little itchy fingers to get into it. So what I need for this, it does come with some paper, but I'm going to add a few other things to use. I've got some postcard index cards that I found at Goodwill, along with these circle shapes, and then some. This is going to be to wipe off my brayer because it comes with the brayer, and then some papers and also some more of these labels I can use, cover over these and use these for stickers as well, and then some regular scratch paper. So that's what I'm going to use for this, and I'm going to get all set up and I'll be right back. Okay, so one thing nice about our little kit, it does come in a Sterilite container, which you can store everything in. Also, it comes with printing instructions, printing with foam stamps, and it has that. Storing your Gelli Arts plate gives you directions for that. Essentials to know, and recommendations, the basics, easy cleanup, and making your mark. We recommend using acrylic paints, which they have included a yellow, a blue, and a red. So nice there. And then you can use oil paints. So I don't have any of those, but okay. Do not recommend using dyes when printing on the plate, such as rubber stamps, spray inks, or fabric dyes, as a gel plate will absorb some of the dye and become permanently stained. However, stains will not affect printing performance. Okay, good to know. Many paints and inks are compatible with Gelli printing. These include water-soluble printmaking inks and fabric paints. And then clean up with soap and water. Oh, you can use a gel hand sanitizer to remove paint residue on the plate. Interesting. Baby wipe products also can be used to clean your plate. Great, because those are always there. Making your mark. Fun textures are easy to find. Use bubble wrap, plastic grids, foam stamps, stencils, leaves, strings to create interesting imagery on your plate. For hand-drawn mark making, use soft-tip tools like paintbrushes, cotton-tip swabs, or rubber-tip tools. Do not use pointy tools such as pencils or toothpicks. They may scratch the gel plate surface and leave permanent marks. Wow, good tips. Good tips. And I'll read the other things later. Okay, so opening up my box. It comes with the 3 colored paints. It has this feathery eyelash stringy stuff. A brayer. Ooh, don't you love that crinkly noise? So cool. Take that out of the plastic bag. And I'm curious, once you clean this, if it needs to stay in the plastic bag, but I will look. It comes with this dotted print maker thing. Oh, I think you can make your own stamps with these. This is a really thin thin foam board. Oop. And bubble wrap, which can be used for a texture. And this is the actual Gelli plate, and it comes between 2 pieces of plastic to protect it, I'm guessing, and it probably goes back that way when you are finished. And ooh, some paper, but they have, what kind of paper is this? It's like almost a tissue, but a little thicker. Okay, I'm going to put those off to the side. And I love the little container. Always can use a good little container. And maybe I'll make some stamps, but not in this video, because I just want to try. Just want to get first impression. We'll call this a first impression video. Okay, peeling off that. And I have, this is a cutting mat from the dollar store that I'm working on here. And the paper that I have is not by any means this size. I do have a bigger one I got the 8x10 just because I thought I'm probably going to want to use that eventually, but I'm not going to open it today. I only have so much I can do. Place a pea-sized amount of paint on the plate. You can use more than one color at a time if you want. Let me see if I need to take off. Nope, it's all set to go. Okay, let's get started. Let's do a blue pea-sized. I'm a little bit shaky. Pea-sized, and I'm going to use more than one color. I'm going to go with blue and red just so I can maybe get a purple out of it because I like purple. We'll see how far that goes. Just those few dots. Roll a thin layer of acrylic paint onto the Gelli Arts plate with the roller. So I use this. It spins really well. It's got a good handle. It's plastic, but you don't need a whole fancy thing. So I think we just do this from all the videos I have seen. Just get this thin layer going all over it. And then I'm going to wipe off my brayer on the piece of paper I have standing by. But I noticed I got lines here. Can I make that any less? Well, now I'm taking off paint, so let's leave well enough alone, right? Okay, and then the next step is press a texture tool like bubble wrap onto the plate. Okay. Okay. So it doesn't say to take it off, but that's what they mean. Ooh, and look at that. You still have it on there, and then you can put it on a piece of paper. Use the excess ink on something else. So that's what I'm going to be doing off to the side if you see me pushing things over to the side. And then lay the face of your paper on top of the plate and press with your hands to transfer the paint to the paper. All right. And then ta-da, and voila. Hey. That's cool. That is super cool. You get all of the different bumps and impressions, and basically you're taking paint off of what is there. So cool. Oh my goodness, I need to have space to dry things, don't I? Okay, that should do for now. All right, and then repeat the steps. You can wipe the plate clean with a baby wipe or a towel, or some water on a towel. But I've seen people just go right on top of it and see what else they can come up with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut up some squares, papers, and then I'll be right back. Hello. Yeah, that's amazing. I'm gonna get a little more color down here on this spot. Oh boy. Ooh, happy. That makes me happy. Well, that was cool. Let's try a different thing. Let's see. to make something colorful without a lot of effort. I think I just found the answer. So awesome. And get my wet wipe and clean it off. So what am I going to do with this? Let's say, let me look at the instructions. Let's make nothing too complicated. How about a leaf? I mean, oh, you can't see them? Dang it. Probably because I used the colors weren't great. Should have used the red. That would have shown up. Okay, right idea, wrong colors. Oh boy, and let's do one of those where you can just draw a design in. I can use multi-purpose tool. Anymore because I had too much orange. Okay, I'm learning things, aren't I? Let me do this on here. I'm gonna just add some of this onto here, what's left. I think this is gonna take me a little bit of practice to see what I want to do as far as color combinations and how to use light contrasting colors in order to get an effect that I like. You can sort of see them. I've got a Texture Supplies Gelatos box. So it has foam and all kinds of things to make texture with. Little things like that. Oh, this is masking for drywall. This is cardboard. So lots of different things in here. Let me try and pull some stuff out to do. Okay, so you can kind of see what this does. So if you get one of these, open it up and see what you can come up with. I did some of the suggestions, and I'm going to keep working, but you go ahead and be creative with whatever you're going to do today. Make sure that it's making you happy and that it's fun. And yeah, okay. God bless you. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.